Hey there, if you're listening to this, you've survived a wildfire. First of all, let me say, you're incredibly strong. Now, it's about how to rebuild your life. Here are some steps to start fresh. Step 1. Assess the damage and safety. Contact local authorities to ensure it's safe to return. Document everything for insurance purposes. Take photos and keep all receipts. Next, reach out for support. It might be family, friends, or local organizations. Don't hesitate to ask for help. Remember, you're not alone in this. Now, when it comes to rebuilding, consider sustainability. Look into fire-resistant materials and landscaping. It might be more costly initially, but it pays off in the long run. Emotionally, take one day at a time. Find peace in small routines. Maybe it's a morning walk or a cup of coffee with a friend. These moments anchor us. Financially, create a budget. List down immediate needs and long-term plans. Prioritize what's essential like housing and food. Look into grants and aid available for wildfire survivors. As you rebuild, try to find a sense of purpose. Maybe it's volunteering in your community or starting a new hobby. Purpose fuels resilience. Lastly, remember to breathe. Healing takes time. Celebrate small victories. You've survived, and that's no small feat. Your future is bright and full of possibility. Stay strong, stay hopeful, and take each day as it comes. You've got this. Thank you for listening. If this helped, please share it with someone who might need it. Until next time, take care.